So we're going to test out the Fukin Tuned pedal accelerator to see how it works out here. We're going to test it on the cruise speed. We're not going to test slow because that would kind of be boring, but we're going to test on cruise, then we'll pop it up into fast, and then we'll pop it up into Senate mode and see how Jackson likes it. Jackson is a conscious objector to this, so this will be funny, his reaction.
We are in Mexico, by the way. This is not in the US.
So we're going to test cruising speed first. Here we go. What's that feel like, Jax?
This feels crazy. I've never thought anything like it before. That was
right.
Crazy. That was
is impressive.
That was.
Let's
definitely.
put it on fast mode.
That's definitely that makes the accelerator quicker for sure. I can feel it on the bottom of your foot.
We're gonna send it now. You ready?
This feels quick. That's like something I've never felt before. That'll shoot you right out of your seat right there. It feels like I'm in Top Gun. You can definitely tell there's a difference there.
So, after the stop sign, I'm gonna put it in send it mode.
There's cops. That's it.
Where?
Mexican police. That's it.
Let's see how it works with send it mode.
That's crazy.
Now let's put you in slow mode.
Well, don't do that. Alright, now we gotta cross the street.
You want to send it mode for crossing the street?
No, I think we're okay. That seems like it might be a little dangerous if we were to do that. You did it anyways, for no reason.